My name is Kefonduso, Chairman of ASK Southern Kenya branch, which encompasses 5 counties of this region: Nyamira, Migori, Homa Bay, Kisii, and lower parts of Kericho, Bomet, and Narok. Today, as you are seeing, we have staged a very wonderful meeting by our exhibitors purposely for our show preparation, which is starting on 11th, 14th of July this year. I want to take this opportunity to inform the public that we are prepared, we are set for the show, and all exhibitors have been involved. They are here present with me. Among them is from the agriculture sector, the manufacturing sector, education sector, small and medium enterprises. Schools have been invited in plenty.
Peterson Arao, Factory Unit Manager of Gembo Tea Factory. And on behalf of KTDA, we are also representing, we will be here during the show on the 11th to 14th. And we are representing Kisii County and Nyamira County. We invite all the public to come. We have a lot to exhibit to our farmers and those who take tea. There's a lot we shall learn on that day. So we invite all of you, come and learn. We shall be there in big time.
My name is Rairo Barra. I work with the Kenya Marine and Fisheries Research Institute in Kisii. I'm standing in for the Center Director, Dr. Paul Orina, who is outside the country because of work. In Kenya Marine, we do research on fish, and I want to welcome all the public to come in the ASK Kisii show so that we can learn on the methods of how you can be able to do production of fingerlings, production of fish feed, and many about fish. And more so, we shall be also showing out fish that is ready for consumption.
Is to urge you that you come so that now we learn new technologies and innovations that are in connection to the matters of climate change. So feel most welcome to this region purposely for our show, which we are kicking off in the month of July 11th to 14th, Kisii Showground. Most welcome.
Show ya Kisii ntoro kia mange igoro yobole mwechinso. Ntoro kia mange nekitokora production ya bana bechinso. Ntoro kia mange igoro nekitokora siendagera echinso chikolia. Na ndentoboroki nekitokora siensu paka yawe endagera tuwa chakolia. Igobona onko welcome a public from all over Kenya and outside the country. Bacha korora nga nkitokora mna Kenya Marine igoro yobo tukibechinsu nobo tukibechinsu. Tuabareganire mwensi
ko irachinga kichiabene ko baene kelinga litukolia lero twanyalire ko bana stakeholders abubale bagokonya asamangana yo kwanda esho abubale amona intu ga litukolia lero ase abale bara amona intu igo bago ruchinsemo chia agriculture, kinsemo chia manufacturing, kinsemo chia chiskuru abubale tayari kabisa oja gotuegelia na gotosomia mangana mai asinga njoye technology ya nyalire koba ego change asinga njoye lire igo chikambani au buna bono Kenya Seed Karuro Department of Agriculture no balega iga bagocha gotworokia igoro yechimbusulo chingiya echire to cha konyara koba to gosimeka asinga njoye change kwelire lyeito igonta getengire chinga kichiabene choko baligania na kubaene kelinga asensemo ya security ntole tayari kabisa igo moche asobonge asingenjo yo kwegera asa esho yaito ya Kisii omwaka oyo kitariki 11 weka 14 omotenyo saba ase esho ground yaito ya Kisii. Karibu mwensi.